Hey everyone, I'm Becca May, Director of Product Training with Reuzel. Today we are going to talk about Surf Cream. Surf Cream is a very light hold, about 2 out of 10, no shine, and water-soluble product. It is a fragrance-free, texture-enhancing cream that recreates a day at the beach look. For added texture, lift, and definition, the mattifying formula can be used on its own or cocktailed with other Reuzel creams and pomades. Please note that it is not intended to use with any of our fiber products. The key ingredients in Surf Cream are coconut oil, which conditions and tames frizz, caprylic triglyceride, which is a natural emollient, and kaolin, which soothes the scalp. Even though it's perfectly fine for the Surf Cream to ride solo, cocktailing it with other Reuzel products is our recommendation. Doing this will make the product it is paired with more matte and give your hair additional texture and grit while still maintaining the qualities you love from that paired product. A Surf Cream cocktail that we love is Surf Cream plus Clay Matte Pomade. Start with dry hair and emulsify 1 part surf with 1 part clay matte in your palms. Next, apply to hair, working from the crown toward the front. Get the product in from scalp to ends and add additional product if needed. You'll notice that this makes the clay even more matte while amping up the hold of the surf. I personally love this combo on mid-length hair when you want to build volume and texture with ease. It's especially great for those textured styles that so many younger kids are rocking right now.